So to fix this problem, you have to head straight to your phone menu and try to search for your settings app. So when you find your settings app, tap on it to open it. After that, what you have to do is to search for app list or apps or app or apps and notification or apps and preference. So tap on it, it's all the same, but it depends on the device. So after tapping on it, tap on the see your apps. Then after that, scroll down over here and try to tap on the Amino app. Now tap on the full stop, then tap on OK. Tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed over here. And as you can see, no permissions denied. So you don't have to let none of them to be denied. Tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is toggled on like this. After doing this, go back and tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is turned on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find your Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, you have to try to search for Amino app. So when you search and it appears like this, just tap on it. And now what you have to do is to tell the update. So if you don't have the latest update of this app, then you have to tap on the update to get the latest update of this app. So what you have to do is to tap over here when you are seeing update, but when you are not seeing update and you are seeing opening as mine, just leave it like that. And what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart and tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed after restarting your device. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.